Oh yeah, super creepy. What else we got? Yeah, maybe it is a jail or something. You just lock stuff up in there.
Oh, people can pee?
I guess. Ugh. Wow, that's crazy.
Oh, can you imagine to live there?
Oh, that would suck. This man gets thrown in the hole. You're just basically straight up in the hole.
You get mental problem and scream all day.
What's up, everybody? Welcome to the Nomadic King channel. I'm James Showers, cleanest name in the biz. What are we doing today? Taking a look at the big Oxys from Occidental leather. I got a pair of them on right now with the sheepskin liner that goes with it. I'm going to show you how they look on me. And then we're going to go ahead and take ourselves a closer look. Well, these are definitely big bags. If you're looking for the tool bags to carry every single tool you possibly can think of, this is the bags you need, or these are the bags you'd want. They're big enough to put a screw gun inside here, a router, any other kind of tool. They're fairly heavy duty. They got plenty of different little pockets. We'll start right here with the fastener pouch. Now this is only a 2-pouch fastener holder, but it does have this upper pouch and a spot for a 25-foot tape. Notice this one is kind of getting like a tear right here. I don't know, maybe that's just how it was. Well, it just feels like it's getting thin right there, but other than that, it's holding together fairly well. I do have one hole right here in this stitching, and it will drop screws out of that bottom pouch. It's kind of a bummer. I need to send it in or try doing some sewing myself, I guess. I just have this set up to do drywall right now, so I just have a keyhole saw. You can put a cat's paw or circle cutter or whatever the heck you're going to need to put in those these 2 slots in the back. There's one here, there's one right here. A small little pouch up here at the top. I keep a few things in here. I've got some router bits and normally keep a pack of blades and my chalk line, 25-foot. This is a DeWalt 25-footer, but you know, it's basically as big as a Fat Max. I've got a tool shield, I believe, that does come with this bags, or with these bags. And we have 2 spots on the front. I keep a couple bits up there, an extra shaft. You can put pencils or whatever suits your fancy. I do have a 2-pouch compact mini that I have added to this set of bags right here. Okay, and I do have the high-rise hammer holder. This, like I said, is my little compact mini. I like this one. You can put quite a bit of stuff in this thing, and it's a smaller little piece right here around the waist or the belt, so you can fit it into some smaller areas in a bag configuration. I do have the high-rise, like I said, and let's get to the tool pouch. So here's the tool pouch. Got a hammer loop in the front. I like to keep some snips in there. We've got a few different flaps. So, you know, I have a smaller torpedo level sitting here in the front. I normally have a bigger one right here that kind of sits up. And then I have this tool shield just clipped right here, just because I like to keep my knife in that. 2 big pockets on the front. This one does have a cut right here. That's why I have this clamp holding it together. Got a few, you know, I was slightly disappointed in how small that these are. They should have been slightly bigger to hold bigger tools right here, because you have just all this room, a crazy amount of room in here. Like, it's pretty deep down there, guys. You can put a screw gun down in there. I mean, can you see that? I don't know. Well, it's got a couple bit holders right here, or some pencil holders basically right there. A couple bit holders right across the top, 4 of them to be exact. A spot where I'm keeping my frame and square right now, but you can use that flap of leather to hang a screw gun or another tool. I do have another tool shield in the back. I believe that does come with it. And yeah, I actually really like this tool pouch configuration, or this tool pouch configuration. It is pretty big though. I mean, these are heavy, so expect the weight. You know, when you get these things, you're gonna have a little extra weight, but you're definitely gonna be able to hold any kind of tool you'd like to hold. What's up, everybody? Welcome to Nomadic King channel. I'm James Showers, cleanest name in the biz. You're about ready to check out a tool bag setup. Alright, we've got a few items down there sprawled on the ground, and we're gonna go ahead and set up a drywall rig. Stay tuned. Let me flip you around. Let's get this started. What do we got going on here? Well, we got a belt. You need one of those if you're setting up a tool belt. I've got a fastener pouch, a tool pouch. We've got an extra fastener pouch that we may or may not add. We've got a hammer holder, we've got a back buddy, and we've got 2 sheepskin pads for 2 bags. So, what are we planning on doing here? Well, I'm thinking about putting my fastener pouch on there, obviously. Get this one here on the back. Get this one here. Let's set it up like this, maybe. Let's do something like that. Comment down below if I should leave this pouch or get rid of it. We'll put it together. We'll take a look at it. Alright, this is what we got. Nice little pouch here, and I love these little drywall pouches because it's perfect for your knife, your rasp, your router bit, your keyhole saw, chalk line, all your circle cutter, all your basic drywall hand tools. Now, I've obviously got way too many fastener pouches, but you never know. In the commercial trade is what I'm doing right now. I'm out in Seattle doing commercial framing and drywall, so it's nice to carry a laser in here or some different fasteners, whatever extra battery or whatever you're gonna need for the day. So let's throw these bad boys on. Let's see what they look like. Hey, there we go. I like these actually. These feel a lot better than the ones I was rocking. I had the full waistband with the big Oxys, and they were just not as comfortable as I felt like they should be. There we go. 3-part fastener, tool pouch, mini compact fastener in the back. Got the little back buddy right here. That actually feels pretty good. It's right there where I need it, snug. Now, if you don't have these pads here for your belt, get some, man. They feel so good.
Oh, this thing's nice. Alright. Yo, like, share, subscribe. See you on the next video. Peace.